Hello everyone, welcome to ViTech Talks. In this lecture, we are going to see how to implement an API. Okay, it's like how to import RAML from Exchange and start development. Okay, this is what we are going to see now. So in order to start development, either you can go with Anypoint Code Builder, IDE for desktop, or what we can do, you can use Anypoint Code Builder, Cloud IDE. Okay, Cloud IDE. So here we do have implement an API option. Okay, if you click this ACB is nothing but Anypoint Code Builder. Okay, if you click ACB, so here you can see implement an API. So click on implement an API. So here you need to provide VAT welcome API hyphen I'll give IMPL or IMP. IMP is nothing but it's like implementation. Okay. So here you need to select your API VAT welcome. Okay. And click on enter. So here you can able to see VAT welcome API. Click on add asset. Click on add asset and create the project. There is one more way. Okay. We can also import. Okay, that I will show you later. Okay. So as soon as if you create a project, you can able to see the sample. Okay. The sample mule project it is created. The sample mule project it is created and the flow, the RAML, it's imported from Anypoint Exchange. Anypoint Exchange. So here, if you observe here, so automatically we can see the flows. Okay, still it is project indexed. Okay, fine. Okay, if you want to see XML, just double click this one. Okay, so here you can see there are two tabs. One is graphical way presentation and one is code. Okay, so this is your XML. See, automatically it is generated from your RAML. Now, see the same thing. So whatever we have done earlier by using Anypoint Studio, we do have a router. Okay, we do have router. So here you can see flow list. So this is error handling. Okay. Now, if you click on flow list, okay, if you click on flow list, so here you can see get method, get welcome VAT welcome API. Okay, this is our configuration. So if you click on this one, so here you can able to see the transform message. You can able to see the transform message. So here we are unable to edit. So in this case, what you can do? So what you can do? You can open this one parallelly. Okay, it is showing as delete only. Fine. Open the text editor. Okay. If you click on this text editor, you can able to see. See, automatically it is highlighting. Okay. See here, I want to change something. Hi, welcome to ViTech Talks using ABC so far. Okay, using ABC IDE. Now you can save it. Suppose you want to add multiple connectors here, you can do this. We do have plus button here. You can click on plus button. Suppose you want to add variable, you can add a variable. See, automatically it is adding. Suppose I want to add some more, okay, different connectors. Click on plus, go to core components. Okay, so here we do have patch, error handling, scopes. Suppose I want to add for each. Okay, you can add like this. But as per the requirement, just we are displaying the message. Okay, we'll do the same now, and we'll see how we can test. Okay, how we can say test. So here, let me run this one. So in order to run, so what you need to do, just click on this one. Okay, run and debug. So debug and all, I'll create a separate video how to debug. Okay, as of now, you can click on this run and debug button and click on this green button. Okay, this green. See, so far I didn't keep any breakpoints. So even though you can observe, and down you can see something, it is in a red color. Okay, and also you can see in here the logs it is printing. The GUI is look like this. Okay, your application running on port 6666. Okay, let's see whether we can use 8081 or 66 and 66. Okay, it is deployed now. Now your application is running on port number is 8081. So I want to test this one. So how to do it? Okay, it's very simple. You can go to Thunder client. And create a new request for ACB test. Simply I'm going to keep it here. Localhost 8081 slash, okay, 8081 slash welcome. Let's see what is the path here. Okay, we are importing from Exchange, and here also we do have API kit router. Then we need to use API slash welcome. Okay, let's see. Localhost 8081 API welcome. This one is the pass. Okay. So if there is no debug points, then it has to run. So you can run it from browser also. Let's see. Get method. This one is the welcome, right? Okay. So as soon as if it is going to start, okay, anyway, I'll add one logger here. So logger, the message. Welcome API triggered or started. Okay, the log level is info. Okay. So let me stop. And better I will keep the debug points so that we can able to understand. So API kit router, okay. Okay, click on run and debug, Control Shift D. And click on start debugging. Just wait for a few seconds to get it deployed. See, compared to Anypoint Studio, so this one is bit faster. That's what I can observe. Okay, your application is running on port number. Okay, we'll check on two port numbers. So because it is in a debug mode, right? Okay, 6666 and 8081 both. Okay, now it is deployed. Let's click on open in browser. We'll see. Localhost colon 8081. Oh, it's not working. Your application running on port 8081. Okay, let me open this one also. See here, I think we need to use, okay, see, if we are using desktop version, okay, then this is going to work because localhost 8081. So that is running in your local. So this is different case. So how we need to verify this one? So we should not select only 8081. So this is running in cloud, right? Okay, cloud. So for this cloud URL, okay, you need to take, and after this you need to use this one. And this is very important. If it is running in your local, then you can use localhost 8081. That's simply cloud IDE. I'll keep it like this. Okay. Now you can observe here. Okay. Just you can observe the breakpoints. Okay. As of now, I'm going to continue. Okay. See here, welcome API triggered. Welcome API triggered. And here also you can see your response. Hi, welcome to ViTech Talks using ABC IDE. Okay. So this one you have to remember, if you are using cloud, if you are using cloud, you need to click that link and you have to take, you need to take this URL because we are using cloud IDE. If it is local, then you can use that is in localhost 8081 API/welcome. Okay. Again, I'm going to hit, just observe now. Just observe any point code builder. Okay. API/welcome. So this is giving entire page. Okay. The response. Okay. Headers. The title is any point code builder. Okay. Cool. So here itself, I will try one more time. See, as soon as if you are going to hit this one, okay, hit this one, it is going to highlight here, okay, and click on continue. So here you can see the response. Suppose I want to add something, okay, I want to add ABC Cloud IDE. So just to save it, okay, just to save it. Okay, still it is not at refresh. So what you can do, you can stop debugging and you can run and debug. Okay, you can run and debug. So this is how it is going to work. Okay, so far we have seen, okay, so far we have seen how to set up Cloud IDE, okay, Cloud IDE and Desktop IDE, and how to create RAML and publish into Exchange, and how to import RAML from Exchange and start development. Okay, in the next video, there is one option, right? Okay, this option. Which option? We are going to see this option, develop an integration. Okay, so here also we can import, here also we can import RAML. Here also we can import RAML from Exchange. Here also you can import RAML from Exchange and how to start development. That option we are going to see in a next video. Let me retest this one. Let me retest and we'll close the session. Connection refused. Okay, it is not at running. Click on run and debug. See how you can able to identify whether it is in a debug mode or it is running or not. Okay, you can see it in red color. Okay, in the bottom you can able to see debug mule application. Okay, something like this. So if you want to see it in a graphical mode, okay, you can click on this one If you want to see it in a code, okay, open in text editor. Okay, these are the options you can see. Yeah, I think here we do have save and post to deploy. Okay, save and hot deploy, right? Okay, we'll see this option. Okay, successfully started. It is deployed now. It is deployed now. It is going to hit. See here. So the same way, if you want to, if you want to go step by step, okay, here we do have an options. Okay, step over, step into, and if you want to continue, then you can click on continue. And here you can see the cloud. Okay, that is what we have written might be. Instead of cloud, I have written. Okay. Okay, that's it for this video. Practice the same. We'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning.